Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four stars Sudoku. Four stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Thursday, yes, it's Thursday. Let me show you. It's Thursday. Thursday, April the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle. It's the 3 stars Sudoku. So we have two puzzles left. The JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the 4 star Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now let me continue with these regular puzzles. News of today, well, the world best photo is published, and you can guess it's a photo of the Gaza. Yes, a lot of sorrows and griefs in that photo. Let me continue with the second puzzle, the 4 star Sudoku number 8383. Double 83. Yes, double 83. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has exactly 24 printed digits. Well. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24, and we have 24 printed digits. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Question is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have we have 2 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 2 threes, 4 fours, alright. How about the 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4 5s, alright. How about the 6s? 1, 2, 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 1 9. So the 4s and the 5s are a majority. Can I start with a 4? Yes, we can. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. Then 4. Need a 4 here. I cannot continue with the 4. Need to wait. How about the 5 then? 5, 5, 5, 5. Well, in the middle column, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in the middle column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Alright, cannot continue with 5 now. Need to wait. How about the number 1? The number, need a 2 here, need a 2 there, and yeah, need an 8 here, need a 4. We have a pair. I believe we have 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. And only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in the last row. So no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Together with the 4, we have a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Okay. Alright. Then 2, 2, 2, 2. Then 7, 7, 7, okay. Well. Need a 5 there. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need an 8. 1 and 8. Well, 1 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. These two missing numbers. This column, yeah. This box could be a 1. Can be a 2. Can be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Can be 6. Can be 7. Could be an 8. Can be a 9. Same for this box. This box could be a 1. Can be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Can be 6. Can be 7. Could be an 8. Can be a 9. Okay, 1 and 8. That means those two missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 7 goes there. Need 3 here, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have 6 in this row. No 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So the 2 and the 7 are left. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. We have a 7 in that column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Then 3, 3. Need a 3 there. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this column. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Right. Then let me see. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 4. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 in the first row. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. And then, in the 2 there, we have a pair here, 2 and 8 in the last row. 2 and 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. Only place left with 7 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, and now, need 8 there. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left. Yeah. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and the 4 cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 4, okay. Then, let me see. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 6, should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the man. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the man. 1, the 2 is missing. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for the man. I believe 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so in the first column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. Second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1. It goes there. 1 in the third column. 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 in the 4, we have a 1 now in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 now in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9 cannot fill this yet. No, not true. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers, same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes again. We solve it again. Solve it again. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. 2 stars. No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it also by myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.